Welcome to the live demonstration of AI-powered Campaign Manager. In this walkthrough, you'll see how to set up a campaign, define your audience, customize content, and activate it across multiple channels, all within a few clicks. In this session, we'll walk through how users can create and manage campaigns with ease, right from campaign setup, audience targeting, content configuration, to final activation across multiple channels. Let's begin by exploring the Campaign Manager interface. To begin, navigate to the Projects tab, and then select Campaign Management. Here, you'll see an overview of all campaigns, including campaign ID, name, tags, last modified, status, and actions. Begin by entering the campaign title and relevant tags. These tags help you categorize and manage campaigns more efficiently. You can also create custom tags if needed. Add a brief description to define the campaign's objective. Then, select the campaign category, either marketing for cross-sell or upsell activities, or utility for operational messages like payment reminders or card renewals. Moving on to campaign details, you'll re-enter the campaign title, choose the campaign type as either notification or dynamic, and then define your target audience. There are 3 targeting methods available, using an AI-powered cohort targeting, selecting a task, or uploading a file. Let's first look at cohort-based targeting. You can either use an existing cohort or create a new one. To create a cohort, go to Cohort Management, where you can view and manage all saved cohorts. Click on Create New Cohort, assign it a name, and choose between product-based or natural language query-based filtering, powered by AI. For this demo, we'll use the natural language option. Simply describe your target audience in a sentence, click Process, and the system will fetch the relevant data using our AI-powered engine. Once ready, save the cohort. It will be available for selection in your campaign. Next, you can also select a predefined task for targeting. For example, we have a task set up to fetch female users. By editing this task, you can view the full customer journey, which is built using configurable nodes and API integrations. In this case, the system fetches user data via an API and stores it for campaign use. The third targeting method is via file upload. If you don't have a file template, you can download one directly from the interface. After filling in the details, like name, mobile number, and email, upload the file. The preview screen will display the imported data. You can also add additional fields based on the nature of your campaign. Once your audience is selected, the next step is content configuration. Here, you can choose between using a task-based message or creating a custom UTR. An UTR is the campaign message that will be sent out. Click Create UTR, assign it a name, and define its content. You'll also choose the delivery channel, such as WhatsApp. For each channel, you can customize responses and select from pre-approved templates, like those approved by Meta. Templates have slots marked as 1, 2, 3, and so on, that dynamically populate with user data during the campaign. After selecting the content, define the delivery channel and language for the campaign. Next, choose the scheduling type, whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for later. You can also set an end time if needed. Once everything is configured, review the details, save the campaign, and it will appear on your dashboard. From the Action button, you can view, edit, or activate the campaign. Once activated, the messages will be sent to the targeted contacts. For example, clicking Interested on a message can trigger a follow-up interaction. You can also create your own message content using our inbuilt content editor. Provide a title, subtitle, and optionally add buttons like Know More with a redirect URL or an opt-out option. Once published and activated, recipients can engage with the message and even be redirected to a website link. Now, let's walk through a real-world campaign use case with Aklida Bank, designed to promote different types of bank cards using a cadence-based campaign strategy. We begin by creating the primary campaign targeting Aklida ATM card users. After entering the campaign title and adding tags like notification, WhatsApp, and Telegram, we upload the customer data file containing ATM cardholders and create a new segment. We then configure the message content using an existing UTR and select WhatsApp and Telegram as the delivery channels. Next, we create Sub-Campaign 1, which targets MasterCard users, but only if they have engaged with the initial ATM card message. This is done by setting up a new segment using the Task Builder with filters that identify users tagged as MasterCard holders who have opened or clicked on the original ATM card message. The segment is saved, and we configure a MasterCard-specific UTR tailored to promote MasterCard benefits. The delivery is again set for WhatsApp and Telegram, and the campaign is scheduled accordingly. This ensures that users who showed interest in the ATM card are now promoted a higher-tier card offering, creating a seamless upsell journey. We now create Sub-Campaign 2, designed for UPI card users, only if they did not engage with the initial ATM card message. In this case, we use the code sandbox to define logic that filters users tagged as UPI cardholders who did not open the initial campaign message. This branch ensures we still re-engage users who were unresponsive, without overwhelming them with irrelevant follow-ups. We configure a UPI-specific UTR with concise messaging and a compelling call to action, and schedule the campaign across WhatsApp and Telegram. This entire setup forms a conditional cadence flow. ATM card campaign goes out to all users initially. If users engage, they receive Sub-Campaign 1 promoting MasterCard offers. If users do not engage, they receive Sub-Campaign 2 tailored to UPI cards. Finally, you can use our Gen AI assistant to generate campaign content. Start by selecting an UTR and clicking Edit. From there, launch the AI assistant. Choose a template and channel, such as WhatsApp. Then select between structured or free-form content generation. For structured content, define the message length, tone, campaign style, and provide context. In advanced options, you can input the key message, keywords, target audience details, emojis, and email HTML settings. Once done, click Generate Prompt to preview the AI-generated text. You can rephrase or regenerate the content, and once satisfied, copy it into the campaign subtitle. Save and publish the UTR, finalize your campaign settings, and activate it. Once your campaign is live, tracking its performance is just as important as creating it. To view analytics, head over to the Campaign Analytics section and select Campaign Details. Here, you can monitor key performance metrics such as notifications sent, delivered, read. For deeper insights, click on Notification Details. This section provides granular, real-time data for each campaign, including campaign name and campaign ID, sub-campaign ID and run ID, customer name, channel used, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, channel ID, sent date time, delivered timestamp, read timestamp. You can also view targeted users by run, allowing you to analyze audience-level performance across different segments and delivery attempts. In addition, you can track call to action, CTA, clicks, helping you measure user engagement and the effectiveness of your campaign messaging. Our platform offers everything you need to build, configure, and deploy personalized, secure, and scalable customer experiences across multiple channels, all from a single, intuitive interface. For more information or to get started, feel free to reach out to us.